Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to view comments on a post using the X app, formerly known as Twitter. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a refresher, this updated process will help you easily access replies and engage in conversations. To get started, open the X app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account for seamless navigation. Once inside, locate the post you want to check for comments. You can scroll through your feed or use the search feature to find it quickly. Next, tap directly on the post itself. This step is crucial because tapping on icons like reply, retweet, or like won't show you the comments section. Instead, tapping anywhere on the main body of the post will expand it into full view. Now that the post is open, simply scroll down. The comments, also known as replies, will appear right below the post. You can browse through them to see what others are saying, or click on individual replies to view nested conversations. And that's it. With these steps, you can easily access all comments on any post in X. This method works for both Android and iOS devices and ensures you never miss out on discussions happening around your favorite tweets. Thank you for tuning in.